Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Sabrina binti Jamaluddin. I'm from RK13 Manufacturing Engineering. I would like to present our proposal to build biometric student attendance in UniMAP. What is biometric? Biometric is something part from one of our body that we can use to identify ourselves. For example, we use eyes, face, or fingerprint. So for our project, we only use fingerprint and face recognition. So for the introduction, our survey in UniMAP, we use the traditional attendance that we student to scan the QR code and sign on a piece of the paper every time attends the class. That we get a few problem when the attendance is no backup for the record lecturer that lost the attendance sheet. Student that not attends the class may get the help from the friends to sign the attendance, and student miss the time to record their attendance. When the using QR code scan, that student have a limitation for the internet access. For this problem, we do the project so that to get help for the student and lecturer to easy for get the attendance. This system is include several modules, which is the attendance module, email module, report module, fingerprint, face recognition module, schedule module, lecture module, student module, and so on. So to ensure the system can help to improve the student attendance as well as provide accurate and efficient information regarding the student attendance. Now, using an electronic-based system is better than using a paper-based system to collect, to process, store, and produce the attendance result and perform a long time analysis. So I want to give for my friends to get for more information about our project.
Hi, my name is Nabila binti Makshafi and I'm from RK13. Okay, now I will present to you about methodology for this project. For this project, we using the survey method and the type of sampling purposive sample. Okay, why we use survey method? We use survey method because it is more accurate sample to get the target results in which to draw conclusion and make important decisions. This project was conducted at University Malaysia Perlis that involved 100,000 students. 100 students, sorry. In this survey, a questionnaire was generated in the form of Google, which calculated the survey link via WhatsApp. Okay, the survey is split into 4 parts. For parts A, section A for general overview, for section B, problems, for section C, solution, and for section D, demographic. The type of questionnaire questions used in the survey is closed-ended questions to gather quantitative data from respondents. The combination of several types of questions in the survey is used, which include dichotomous questions. Okay, dichotomous question is multiple choice questions scaled to queries. A question that can have two potential answers in the dichotomous type, which is usually like to ask for yes or no, true or false, or male or female. Okay, for example, at section D for demographic, we ask the respondent, what is your gender? Respondent can answer male or female. For scale items also used in the survey where it is query that asks to evaluate the opinion about a product, service, and that's all. For example, in this survey, we ask the opinion of respondent it is hard to scan the QR code, respondent can evaluate from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Now, I will pass to Farah Aina to present about problem 1 and 2 with solution.
Thank you, Nabila. Hello, everyone. My name is Farah Aina binti Wahiruddin. I will present about problems that might be lead to other problems, such as students are barred from the exam even though they attend all classes, and some not do well during the exam because they did not come to the class. Problem and solution management. Problem 1. When the lecturers use QR code and attendance sheet could contribute to students' unethical dilemma because classmates are assisting those who have not come to the class to sign the sheet of attendance. QR code or Google Form link can be forwarded to help some students report their participation. Lecturers would have a difficulty writing students' success if students are not be able to do well on the test. 46 students strongly agree based on our survey that it is unfair when their classmates have access to the attendance system even though they do not attend to the class. Okay, for problem 1 solution, the lecturers can use biometric system which allows real-time service that makes sure the only student who comes to class can sign their attendance, provides a system which gives notification for lecturers to monitor attendance. Okay, for problem 2, the problem is no backup for attendance records once the lecturer accidentally lost the attendance sheet. Based on our survey, there are 79% of lecturers using attendance sheet record to students' attendance in UniMAP. This is because the attendance sheet is a hard copy record that can be misplaced, lost, or damaged. Once the file is gone, the lecturers need to collect back the data by giving back the new attendance sheet to the students. Based on our result, 39% of students agree and strongly agree with this problem. 13% of them did not agree with these problems. For problem 2 solution, we can provide a digital attendance system so that the data attendance more secure than hard copy. Next, provide a system that can keep the data automatically updated directly to the lecturers. Thank you, and I will pass to my another teammate.
Hello, my name is Nonadia Fakira binti Jeffrey. Thank you for Farah Aina. So I will present about students miss the time to record their attendance. During the lecture season, students are likely to miss the time to record the attendance because the attendance sheet is not past their seat area, and some of them have problems with scanning the QR code due to the low quality of camera phone. Based on the pie chart from survey, almost 50% respondents are facing and agree with this problem, while 28% respondents commonly disagree and strongly disagree with this problem statement. And for another respondent, this is as not option for their survey. So for a solution for problem 3, lecturer should provide application that can notify the student of the time for recording the attendance, and the lecturer should provide efficient attendance system that bring quality time of recording attendance. Okay, for problem 4, this is hard to scan QR code. Almost student or respondent disagree if QR code is hard to scan, while the another respondent agree with that QR code is hard to scan because the disagree because they do not get enough time to scan the QR code if the lecturer give on the middle or beginning class. And for the student that has limited internet or problem internet, it hard to them to scan their QR code and need to ask them to fill the attendance using their ID metric. And for the student that absent can asking them that present to pass the QR code and fill up the link. And for solution, so solution for problem 4 is lecturer should provide a biometric attendance which does need face or fingerprint to scan off for attendance, and provide a biometric attendance system which is more complementary, easy to use, and can reduce paper waste.
I am Adana from RK13. I would like to continue by before slide. So my slide is about a problem 5 has limited internet access. So students have limited internet access because about 41% the respondents strongly agree, which are 13% out of 100% have choose strongly agree, and then 28 respondents out of 100 respondents have choose agree. So we can conclude that 51% students agree for students have limited internet access, and then for a no option and disagree respondent record an equal percentage, which is 27%, which means disagreeing and no option 27 and 27, which means equal to more than 50%. So we can conclude that student respondent is about equal. So 5% for strongly disagree about the student has limited internet access. So as we can conclude that majority student respondent or student or lecturer agree about this problem. And then the solution for this problem is we can provide a digital attendance system which does not use the internet to access, which means like we use the old style like paper sheet, those we use now. And also university should provide high quality Wi-Fi facilities around the lecture hall for students. So students easily can use the Wi-Fi without any limited internet access. And also we continue for benefit about fingerprint. So biometric student attendance is the solution state biometric attendance system have a lot to improve current attendance system, such as more systematic and accuracy for attendance data, and more systems such as more systematic and accuracy for attendance data and more comfortable for the student to update their attendance in a transparent way. Other than that, the attendance system is more efficient in quality of time record, and there will be no internet access needed for student record. The attendance system is trustworthy data, so the data gathered from the biometric system by fingerprint or face recognition, so it can give trustworthy data. So the system is alive and honest because our biometric system can access data at any time we want. So it enables organizers to generate quick report and alert to problems so that they may act instantly. So any problem we can refer it quickly. Thank you.
Thank you to my friend. Today, I'm Atira Muadazur Ain PT Ayu, and I will present about conclusion. In the whole conclusion from this report, biometric student attendance had been designed to make the whole attendance taking process to become more reliable, convenient, efficient, and accurate to all students and lecturers. Besides that, this biometric technology will easily simplify to reduce error, and attendance data will be able to compile in more natural way. Another that, biometric attendance can eliminate spot problem and repeat happen during the initial analysis. Some solution has been applied to reduce this problem, which include the biometric attendance system. For the data of attendance system, more systematic and accurate, more manageable for the student to update their attendance in a transparent way. By using this proposed solution, we can see that no one can eliminate this problem, but at the same time also promote very relevant idea in manage the student attendance record. The lecturer don't do multiply word in one time. Before we using biometric student attendance, we use sheet data. In the sheet data, the lecturer need to take the data and pass into the system, and it have been so complicated. Lastly, from the survey questionnaire data, most of the participants agree that student attendance in a class to increase their knowledge is very important. Last but not least, UniMAP with good academic student is also very important as it will affect the UniMAP reputation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you for watching.
watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.